Hello students, now let us see the problem based on the electron gain enthalpy. Okay, and that the problem has been taken from the Narayana J advanced book. Okay, that is the in that book this is the page number. If I want to mention student for your comfortability, this is the page number electron gain enthalpy. This is the 231. Okay, so this is the JE advanced book, JS Vance book, page number 231. You can check with this. So first question number 70 is given student. The descending order of electron affinity of halogens. Descending order. They are asking that is the descending order of electron affinity of halogen is. So four option has been given student. Four option. So first of all, to know this one, you know very well that is fluorine is having a small size student. So due to small size, it has the very less electron gain enthalpy. And chlorine, bromine, iodine will have the same trends. Even for comfortability, if you comfortability, this is the correct answer will be this one. But what we can do is student, if you check that is fluorine, okay, and chlorine. So chlorine is electron gain enthalpy is that is minus 349. If you talk about fluorine student, minus 328. If you talk about bromine, so bromine is minus 325. And iodine, if you talk about iodine, it is student, this is minus 295. So they are asking that is order. So correct after decreasing order. So chlorine is the highest is there, minus 349. Then fluorine is 328. Then then bromine is 325, and then iodine is minus 295. So this is the descending order of the negative value of electron gain enthalpy. So correct option will be option number 4 student. Now let us move the next problem student. The low electron gain in electron affinity value of nitrogen is. So small size no, higher nuclear charge no, half filled 2 subcell. This is the third option is correct student. If you check the nitrogen student 7, this is the 1s2, 2s2 and 2p3. So this is the completely half filled subcell student, half filled orbital. So this is stable configuration student. So if you are adding the electron, it will be it is not possible to add the electron. So that is, it is having the electron gain enthalpy delta EGH is equal to 0. Means what is E for electron, G for gain, H for enthalpy. So electron gain enthalpy for nitrogen is 0 student. So correct option is option number 3. Energy is released in this process. Which process? That is sodium. It is the ionization energy required student. Energy required in this ionization process. And O minus to energy absorb student, absorb. Why? This is the second electron gain enthalpy. Second electron gain enthalpy, in the negative charge you are adding the electron, means energy will absorb. Oh, this is the correct option student. In the oxygen you are adding the electron, so energy will be releasing in student. So correct option will be, that is option number 3. This is the electron gain enthalpy. When you are adding one electron to the oxygen atom, so it will form the O minus, electron gain enthalpy. Correct option is option number 3. Right. Now problem number 73. Energy is absorbed when second electron is added to oxygen. This is because, okay, energy is absorbed when second electron is added to oxygen. Okay, so this is because the reason they are asking student, their reason, energy is absorbed when second electron is added. So why student? Because of more repulsion. When oxygen is already one negative charge, if you are adding the electron, due to more repulsion is there, to overcome of the reaction, energy needs to supply. Energy needs to supply. Energy supply means energy absorbed. So student, what could be option? O has stable no. O has repulsion between electron to be added. Next one, O has the unstable configuration. So correct option is option 2. O has repulsion with electron to be added. So electron already negative charge is there, O negative, and one more electron you are adding, so negative more repulsion. So that is what is energy will be absorbed. Okay, now let us move student 74. The electron affinity of bromine atom is equal to ionization energy of bromine ion. So this is the correct option will be option number 1, ionization enthalpy of Br minus ion, and that is electron affinity of that is bromine. This is the both are having the same value, student. Ionization, first ionization enthalpy, first ionization electron gain enthalpy, EA, electron affinity. Okay, so EA1 means electron affinity 1. First electron affinity value of following elements has to be positive value. So bromine is the 0, student, because this is the stable configuration. Beryllium is 0, and bromine is the, this is the negative value when you are talking about the bromine, student. So bromine is there minus 324. It is minus 324 point, how much, student? The 3. So it is not positive because it is negative. Magnesium, this is also 0 because magnesium is also having the stable, so it is 0, and this is also 0. Okay, student. And chlorine, if you talk about, student, chlorine, so it is minus 348.3, minus 348.3. So 0 means positive value. So magnesium and beryllium is having 0, that is positive electron affinity. So correct option will be A and third, 1 and third. So let us check, student, what is the correct option. Option first and third. So option number 1 is the correct option. Now 76. The process of requiring the absorption of energy. Which process energy absorbs, student? Second electron gain enthalpy. So in the negative charge, if you are adding one more electron, student, so that is O2 minus charge will form. That is, in this process absorption of energy will be taking place. So correct option is option number 3. Arrange sulfur, oxygen and selenium in ascending order of electron affinity. Okay, so to arrange this, student, if you know the values, student, if you know the values, you can easily arrange. But if you don't know, then if you don't know the value, you can have the correct concept. But I know the value, student, what we can write. If you see oxygen, oxygen is minus 140.9, and sulfur, if you talk about, that is 200.7, and selenium, if you talk about 195. Okay, so these all are the negative sign, student. So they are saying that is ascending order. Arrange the sulfur, oxygen, selenium in ascending order. So ascending, which is the least, student? Selenium is the least. No. One oxygen is the least. Then which one will come, student? That is selenium. Okay, then sulfur, oxygen, selenium, sulfur. So this is option number 2 is correct, student. Oxygen is C, minus 140, selenium is minus 195, and then sulfur minus 200. So this is the option number 2 is correct, student. Now you see, student, that is 78. The electron affinity value of element A, B, C, D are respectively. So A, they have given how much, student? That is minus 135. B, they have given minus 60. C, they have given 200, and D, they have given, student, minus 348. This, the outer electronic configuration of element B is. Okay, so what could be the B? It is having the least electron gain enthalpy. So that is, least electron gain enthalpy means it should have the unstable means easily you are able to add the. So which one is the, this is the 1 electron is needed, student, 1 electron is needed. So in this case you can easily add the electron. Okay, so this will be the option number 4 will be the our required answer. Here extra electron, here that is not possible, student. Here is the 0 for nitrogen. Okay, here is the fluorine, chlorine is there very high. Here oxygen is also high. So this will be our required answer, because this is chlorine, this is the this will be the nitrogen, here is oxygen. So this is our lithium is this is the answer is lithium. So option number 4 is correct. Next, 79. The formation of oxide O2 minus ion required first an exothermic, then endothermic. So why, student, exothermic? Because here is the one electron, that is minus 142, but here is more reduction, negative more repulsion. So we need to supply the energy. So this is positive, endothermic. So let us see the region. Oxygen has comparatively larger size, no. Oxygen has high, no. O minus tend to resist the addition of electron, means this is the option. O minus ion will tend to resist the addition of another electron. So that is repulsion is there, student, repulsion. So correct option will be option number 3. Thank you so much for watching, friends.